Welcome to another episode of Grow a Garden. I'm just gonna take all my wood. Also, if you're wondering how I got this massive switch and another one of these, from the dragon fruit, this one, 5% grown, it was just luck. I don't know how. Hey, I have new sounds. And these I got from an admin event. Isn't really cheating because, the admin did it. Now I can't even climb up there. I mean, I can. I wish there was a feature that made your plants smaller, like a gear, but it could be infinitely small. That'd actually be a massive thing. Because you could have infinite storage. Not on phones though. Sorry about that. Mango. Oh yeah, I got these that don't really sell for much. Yeah, I did the quest. It's so laggy. Wow. But that said next update 2 times, just now and another. Plant 25, I think I have enough of those. Where are the seeds? I have 19, I was just off. There's nothing. Oh yeah, if you probably saw the giant pine cone seed, I couldn't get it because on my other one, my main, I have 10 million now because I used to have 88, not 88, but somewhere in the 80s million. But now, because of the admin event, I don't have any. Even my other account, this account. I guess I'll plant these later. Oh, we need. I don't know what we need. Guys, remember when the tomato seed, this, you probably never known this, but a person could buy this tomato seed and they would actually get a lemon seed and actually help. I've been hiding it in here. I've actually got it. Come here. It's in the summer things. It's just because I wanted to hide it. I'm actually not joking. Just kidding, I'm joking. That actually would be pretty cool if I actually got it though. That'd be a huge win to tomato players because it's 9,000 I think. I don't know how a person got it in Grow a Garden for actual free though. Oh my. I said that in the casual, the most casual voice. Oh. Where are you, Yuri? 32? Okay, wait, what is... I'm gonna sell Yuri. R.I.P. Yuri. He's gonna be gone. Why am I singing like this? I'm not in one of those cringy songs in YouTube. Orange tulip is here. Dude, orange tulip is a 1 in 3 chance. The only thing, whenever it comes, There's like so many. Same as bamboo. Dude, I wish mushroom was like a multi-harvest plant. Like instead of it being like a plant that is like in different spots, like this one. I mean, like it would be like just the mushroom, and then it would like regrow back in like a day. Because I swear, no, not a day. How about 15 minutes? Yeah, because I swear it's like only one. It's only one. Like 100,000. Well, thanks. Jumi, why is your name that? Hey, no, not that. Okay, where are you, Yuri? I need to pick you up. Oh, pick up. Yes. How did pets go? Gold Lab. Oh, hi, Yuri. I'm actually feeling bad that I have to sell you now because I fed you for so long. It's actually sad. Oh no, not that. I'm not. Show me pet info. Oh my gosh, it is so laggy. Huh? Yeah. That was actually sad for me. I don't need to power up my phone. Egg chop. Hey, that's actually spot on. I'm not gonna get this common silver egg because the only thing I want is the golden labs. If I get a dog, I guess I'll keep that. Then I'll like sell it because if I get another, did I just see like a very, very small dog? Or is that like a clay thing? Wait, is this clay? Oh, no, that's sandy. Well, howdy. Dude, oh wait, this is bad. What is that? What is that? Is that a giant raccoon? Thing that they're talking about? Grand Volcania? What even is that? I guess that's his normal size. Imagine if it was like that one strawberry seed in my garden. Mine. Show me the quest. Girl bunny. I don't need to plant one mango seed for that. I mean, like, if I even do, that would be very rare, and I won't still do it. Won't still do it. That's a great sentence. Wow. Did absolutely nothing. Not your garden? I wasn't even trying to take it. Hey, what does the firefly fern look like? Firefly fern? Actually, I can't even see it. I just saw an Easter egg. Why did you keep that? Also, we are in a literal forest. Bamboo? Dude, you have the most OP thing of this. Do you want more space, honestly? I'm not even kidding. Is this like a maze or something? No, they didn't make this a maze. Oh my gosh! One peach with that many? I actually wonder, how much is a normal peach and how much is that peach? I forgot I could just do that. It says it for like it's 23 million, I think. There's another one. No, I think that's actually it. 23 million. It's crazy. Can this guy leave? Do I have to go in my own private server that probably costs Robux? Oh wait, no, those free. Dude, you know the lag is bad because I have party voice volume. Yeah, I think there's nothing. Yeah, my graphics are on 0. What if I do this? I want to see how. That is not accurate at all. I'm lagging. See that? Oh my gosh. And it's still at the same level, but lower. How? The moon melon. Dude, you have enough money. Just quit the game and do what I do. Of course there isn't voice chat in this game because I'm just gonna have a... Oh, yep, I ended it with a period. I didn't mean to, though. How much does this actually sell for, Bone Blossom? One stick drenched? I don't think that does anything. A mushroom seed? Oh my gosh, what? Dude, even without you guys, I do not know what to do with you guys. Because guess what got me? The literal beanstalk dogs. Yes, I don't know how. That's real. I should turn this thing off. Like actually, how did I get that? Oh, where's that mushroom? I don't know how. I have it. I used to have another one, but I'll just put this right here like the other one I had. If you want to see the other one I had, just go to my posts. That's where it is. Dude, this account actually might be better than mine. Dude. I can buy... If I was at 50 million, I could get the Burning Bud, but not the Giant Pine Cone. I need like 5 million more for that. Watermelon! No, I don't get the bamboo. Oh my gosh, did I just jump that high? Oh my. What was that? Oh. Where's the... Oh. Pickly pear. Do I have to join my own server? Oh, it's a white mushroom. No way. Can you be like the one that is shown like in the seed shop? Oh my gosh. You look in the inside of this person actually looks hideous. Where's it? Mushroom seed? Yeah, it should look like the thing on screen. It shouldn't look like this girl. Oh my gosh. It looks like eye bulbs. Eye bulbs. Very. Five. Okay. I just did oi koi. Bro, what is this girl doing? Oh. Mostly of it was this guy. This is why it looks so weird. Dude, actually, why? Guys, I'm in a rainbow world. No way. It's actually so cool. And I have this jacket. Never mind. Oh. How much ping am I getting? Oh my gosh, who was that person? He just left. Ow. Ping. At this point, I actually have to go and do another. Oh my gosh, dude. One more minute? I guess I'll wait. I mean, it's so laggy to the point I'm noticing it out. You can notice it out too, right? I forgot about the... Hopefully you guys could hear me the whole time. Ah! Okay, I'm going... Okay. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm back. Oh, it's still lagging? Well... It's actually not lagging that much. Kinda. I can barely feel it. Oh my gosh, this might be me. I might have to delete all this stuff except the pepper. Yes, hello. Dude, the next pet has to be like 40. How much is the seeds? I don't know, what is the seeds? Dude, why did it... Dude, the pet shop person is now gonna like do this as 45. I thought it would just be 40. Now I have to wait 5 extra years. So disrespectful. Hey, the orange tulip here. What? I guess I'll just make this video until the whole video just goes. Oh my gosh, it's a really short one. That's bad. Dude, I think this corn is expired. Is that even a thing? Dude, they should make orange seeds. I'm not even joking. Yes, I am not the king of the Joes. I have a friend that's named Joe. E. I'm not telling you his full name though. That would just be doxing. I don't like doxing in any way. Like if you do that, you're so... Dude, I saw a video that was like, you don't have friends, somebody said probably. And then they literally just said all of their friends' names. Hopefully someone didn't make a video about that on me. I do not want to make my name go out there. I swear I do not. To my friends, yeah, but like to people on YouTube, of course not. I do not like doing that. People say I'm a girl on Roblox, but this is just my alt account. I played Dandy's World on my alt account. I don't know why. Bell pepper. Oh my gosh, this sells for so much. I want to sell this. Oh my gosh, so much. Wait. That's actually really bad. Hey, it does nothing. Hey. I hate Sam. Hey, can you put the giant pen cone on again? Just kidding. Just gonna flex on me. I mean, put the sugar apple. Like 7,000 times. How rare would that be? Hey, I just got a gold mango. Where's the gold mango? I said, where's the gold mango? Mango? Gold, I guess. Glad. Yes, I love Glad. Gold strawberry? Gold strawberry? Oh my gosh. It's so long. I'll feed you that. It's not really gonna do anything though. Oh my gosh. It looks like this. Dude, it's raining. No, get this out of my face. I hate this. But seriously, I hate this event because I swear it looks so ugly. Oh yeah. I gotta ready. Dog? Golden lab, yes! I don't need you, I need the golden lab. There. And now I need another one, which is the dog. Wait, pet items? Oh, this is the gold mango, dude. It was in my inventory. How much is this? Hey, that much? It's actually not bad. Not bad. Wait a minute. I just realized something. A normal mango. Wait. I gotta... Never mind. It's on my inventory. There. A normal mango? How much is a normal mango? Yeah, see? This is like a normal mango. I think this is the same exact size. Like on spot too. For the gold one. Has to be. How much is this worth? Oh, that much? Actually, it's not that valuable. But it's actually more than a pepper seed. That's actually crazy. Is it a wild carrot seed? No, a wild carrot seed would look like something like a fruit. Oh my gosh, this game is all about fruit. Oh my gosh, I just grabbed a mango on accident. Hey, you want this? Do you want this? Weird golden lab person? What are the seeds? I need seeds. Sell my inventory. Guys, if you guys don't know this, I'm gonna reveal a huge scam to you guys. If you're just scrolling on YouTube Shorts and you find a thing that says like, Apple 46 minutes ago. 1 second. If it says that, it is not real. Because last Saturday, I think that was the update day, it said like, last pepper. And it said like a day ago. But no, I think it said cacao a day ago, which is not true at all. It was in the night, so it was like 11 hours ago probably for me. So yeah. Also, I'm recording this on I don't know. Well, I'm recording this on the June of 17th, 2025. I've a watering can. 1 times uses. So cool, I'm so cool. Dude, I got copyrighted for doing a game. I don't know if I have like a strike for that, but I think it is because the live cannot be undone. Hey, I can't go back in! Just like villagers in Minecraft. Oh yes, wait, bread? Oh my gosh, bread! Yes, I love bread. I somehow can't get in here for some reason. I still want this bread. But they do like a staircase to the door. Oh my gosh, bread! Yes! Why can't I get... Ah! And that's Sam. And Devin. Oh my gosh, that freaked me out so much. I thought that was another person. Oh, I'm not gonna sing that song. Dude, the end of this looks like a... If you... Oh, yay. Seed stop? Seed stop. Why? Dude, give me some better stuff than nothing. Hey, I actually didn't know I had this. How much is this? How much is this? Hey, that much is more than a pepper. Oh. Guys, you wanna... never mind. One time, like, I said, what is the code? And then I said, like, hint, it's on my 97th video. That was my 100th video of thing, I think. And people guessed it really fast. I don't know why I actually wanted them to go to my channel, but I swear those... Dude, imagine this is a giant coconut tree, and like all of these are like normal sized coconuts. That's actually crazy. Actually, no, this would be the size of a normal coconut then, probably. Bro, what? Huh? I can destroy all of this right now. Do I? I guess, because what I get from this is like not even a million, guys. Oh, you have to put the gold away. Oh, I have to. Harvest 100. Welp, that is very, very, very. I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying. Lucky harvest. You got a blueberry seed. I do not care. Give me the blueberry. Sour. See, it only gives me that much. Mostly of the time. Dude, it's so small. It's gonna sell for nothing. I swear, this is so bad. It only gives like 100,000. Might be good for a new player, but not at all to me. Unless if it gives 1 million, yeah, I'll take that. Dude, is my friend joining the game? No! Cacao. Hey, you can climb on the mango tree? That's cool. Kinda didn't really know that. Yep, kinda didn't really know that. I know. I can just climb up here and get the... Oh! I'm crying, I'm crying. Wah, 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 wah. I'll get the coconut. Where's the coconut? I'll get the coconut. 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 How much does it sell for? Hey, that much? It's not. That's bad. Very bad. Very. Very bad. Yeah. Nothing. Yes, nothing. I am not ending this video until I get those bamboos. What if are those rainbows? I don't know, they're just green apples. Hey, where's like a rainbow? Is that a rainbow? No, that's a disco. Wouldn't rainbows just like go in a pattern? Pattern. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. He's 4, dang. Little bro's 4. Okay, now I can finally pick up my second ever mushroom. How much does this mushroom sell for? much. That's not good at all. Dude, it's so bad. Hey, I can get a... I'm gonna grind, so if a raccoon thing comes in, then I'll just like eat it. How do I eat stuff? Oh my gosh, I'm grinding so hard. I'm grinding. I'm grinding. I'm grinding. I'm grinding. I don't need that. I don't need that. No, no, no. No, no, no. Wait. No. Dude, I have to get 1,000,000 out of this. Yeah, see? How much time do I have? No. Oh, no. You know the bad thing about new seeds? Whenever it comes, no one knows what the price is. Like dragon fruit seed, I forgot what that is. It's definitely below mango. Dude, I see mangoes, but I don't see grape seeds. Like how? Only reason how I got the grape seed back here is because of like it's because of that admin thing. I'm crying. Wow. I'm crying my eyes out. Wow, I have 100 already. Surprises me so much. Oh, a blueberry seed. Fine, just come here. Come here. Hey, Max Space. Well, yeah, we basically have nothing else to steal. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait until here, so I'm just gonna pause it. So, how do I make a transition? Guess we'll just do this. Not really good at transitions, so do not expect anything from me. And it just got restocked, I swear. I haven't even looked at it. Please. Are you kidding? Dude. Just give me a bamboo seed. I'll run out of storage. I'm trying to get something here. Apple seed. Oh, yay. How do I get an apple seed? From a tomato. I got an apple seed again. Thanks. Dude, I used to have like a giant apple tree, but I got it down. It was like for 1 or 2 episodes. It was probably in the 3rd or 4th. Dang, I have so many coconut trees. It's actually concerning. I don't know why, but I do. What are these cactuses for? Like, I swear, I buy them every single day, but I really barely even collect them. Hey, Max backpack stays? Stays, I love Stace. Stacy. Okay, so this might be the end of the video. I don't know. Just kidding. It is. If these carrots actually... Whoa. That's cool. If these carrots actually was like 55 million, I would collect them all. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so yeah, buy it. Is okay. My dog. Corn seed. I don't want corn seed. Bamboo seed. Oh my gosh. So sad, dude. I can't even get that. Once I cut out the video, it's gonna instantly come back, dude. Where is it? I need... Where is a plant? Wait, no, that's what I have. Say bye, brown mouse. You have kept me in your pocket for so long. Okay, that's enough of that guy. I think he can cook really well, even though he's not even Remy. I don't know what to do for the transition out. So, oh my gosh, it is so sunny out here.